record. Start recording. At 95 feet 2 inches. This is where our camera stops. We're in unit 238. No, it doesn't.
What the other guys are saying.
Yeah, no, just that first 25 feet looked pretty bad. It's holding all that water. So that definitely needs to be cleaned. But here, the thing with cast iron that's hard with the camera is you'll never know how thin it actually is, right? As long as the bottom is, when the camera passes, it looks intact, right? But it could be an eighth of an inch, or it could be, an inch.
Yeah.
It could be an inch. It doesn't have a ton of scaling yet, which could indicate, high usage, which is good. As the water keeps flowing, that you'll have less scale. The drier the pipe, the more it will flake out in the middle, called scaling. You can see some buildup here, like right here, you can see.
Yeah.
So it's hard to say whether that's just buildup or whether you're going to start losing the bottom when you start cleaning that. And with cast iron, once you lose the bottom, it gets hard to rehabilitate. Right here is where it's really in need of cleaning at 25 feet, and then pretty much all the way back. The thing is, once we start getting in here with jetting and chaining, we may expose flaws in the pipe that exist. So if we go ahead and clean all this, we may need to, do some lining after. And there's a big difference between, lining from the main clean out to the main and lining under slab. We'd call this under slab lining because it has a bunch of connections and we're under the cement slab in the building. Totally different ballpark with all these connections. Like right here, we're at a connection point, right? So we're either in this unit, we're probably in this unit at 11 feet. So
yeah, how do you make that up?
So when you line that, you will seal that off, or you can stop short and put a fitting liner in. There's a ton of different ways to address under slab lining, but it's a lot more complex than just shooting a liner from the main clean out to the city main connection.